I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over growth tools. Growth tools are the way that someone subscribes to your bot. To set up a growth tool, we're going to click Growth Tools and then Create New Tool. Then we enter the tool name, we select the tool type and we select the page. There's three different types of tools. The bar and the pop-up gets put onto a website, and the landing page is a page all on its own. We're going to go through each of these tools individually. We're going to start with bar, and this is the bar. The bar hovers at the top of your website, and when someone clicks send, you get the subscribe to your bot. So when you edit the bar, you can set the initial text, the button color, the button size, and the colors for the bar. Your edits won't take effect immediately. If you want to see how it will look, you need to save and preview. Then the next tab shows the submitted state. So what does it look like when someone clicks the button? You can set it to redirect to a URL or open this submission page. Again, you can change the text, the label, and the colors. On the next tab, we can set the actions for the buttons. So we can have them added to a group, we can start a scheduling rule, we can start a flow, and we can add or remove tags. We can also set a time for the pop-up to be displayed after so many days. We can also set the time for the pop-up to be displayed. We can also set how regularly we want the pop-up to be displayed on the page. Once you're happy with all these settings, click Save and Preview and then Share, and it's going to give you the code to install in the head tag of your site. So to add this to our site, we need to come into Add Elements, Apps, and then Add HTML. And then we edit and we paste in between the two head tags and confirm. And now we can see the bar that we created. And then we pin the element to the top like that. The next tool is very similar, the pop-up. So the pop-up is very similar, except it's a pop-up instead of a bar. So again, you can change the header text, the description text, the button color, the button size, and the content type. The content type can be a YouTube link or an image, and you upload the image and it displays the image just above the header text. So you can also edit the colors just like you could the bar. Again, on the submitted state, you can open the submission page or go to a URL. Again, you can edit the header text, the description text, the button label, add a YouTube link or an image. Again, you can edit all the colors. And the action tab is exactly the same. You can add them to a group, schedule, start a flow, add or remove tags, and set how often the pop-up appears. And again, save and preview, and then share to get the code. The landing page is a little different because it's a standalone page, but it's very similar to the pop-up. It has all the same settings as the pop-up. It has all the exact same settings for initial page, submitted page, and actions. The only difference is it gives you a URL instead of the HTML. You can preview how the page looks by going Open in New tab, and then it opens the page that you'll be sharing. That's all there is for growth tools. In this video we went over the various growth tools.